Hi, I am Mohsen Rauf, and this video is part of the series of videos recorded for the course titled Introduction to Business. In this video, I will be talking about the factors of production in a business. Factors of production are the inputs needed for creating a good or service. These include labor, natural resources, capital, entrepreneurial talent, intellectual property, and technology. So let's try to understand each of the factors of production one at a time. The first factor of production is called labor. Labor is the effort that people contribute to the production of goods and services. For example, labor resources include both the cook who prepares food for you as well as the waiter who serves you with food at a local restaurant. Another example can be a mason who lays bricks to construct a building, or a bus driver who drives the bus to and from the school. The second factor of production is called natural resources. Natural resources are raw materials provided by nature that are used to produce goods and services. For example, oil, coal, natural gas, metals, stone, and sand, they all are natural resources. Other examples include air, sunlight, soil, water, animal, birds, fish, and all sort of plants are examples of natural resources. The third factor of production is called capital. Capital refers to both real capital and financial capital. Real capital refers to assets that are used for producing goods and services. Real capital means the physical facilities used to produce goods and services. All items like machinery, tools, and buildings that are directly used for manufacturing goods or services are called capital goods. Financial capital is the money used for purchasing the capital goods. The fourth factor of production is called entrepreneurial talent. Entrepreneurial talent means an entrepreneur's ability to assume the risk of creating, organizing, and operating a business and directing all of a business's resources to achieve business objectives. Entrepreneurial skills include a broad range of various skill sets like technical skills, leadership and business management skills, and creative thinking. The fifth factor of production is called intellectual property. Intellectual property consists of privately owned intangible assets developed as a result of people's intellect and creativity. Intellectual property, or IP, refers to creations of the mind such as innovations, literary and artistic works, designs, symbols, names, and images used in commerce. The sixth and the last factor of production is called technology. Technology refers to goods and services that make businesses more efficient and productive. Examples include information technology, which consists of computers and the internet. Another example can be medical technology that includes MRI machines and artificial organs. So this concludes lecture number 2 about the course titled Introduction to Business. I hope this video was helpful to understand some of the business concepts. Please subscribe to my channel and share this video with others. And if you have a question or a comment, please feel free to write them down below. Thank you very much.